What do you think is going to happen to Instagram in 2022? Here are my predictions of a few things that you should probably keep an eye out for. What's up everyone, it's Millie. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every Wednesday teaching you the latest strategies and trends on social media to help you grow your brand. So give a little love tap on that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks I have for you. First and foremost, I want to say a huge thank you to this video shoutouts because I literally wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you. So if you want to shout out in one of my future videos, be sure to screenshot yourself watching this and tag me over on Instagram stories or leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. As always, timestamps will be in the comments down below because I value your time and you already know why you're here, so let's get into it. Prediction number 1, moving imagery beating out still imagery. Everyone freaked out when Instagram announced that Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app, which while we're talking about it, let me be clear here. Adam Mosseri did say in his video, Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app, but his caption of the video said, Instagram is no longer just a photo sharing app. Does that mean photo is dead? No. Does that mean you should rely on photo alone with your Instagram strategy? No. I agree that the simplicity of photo sharing is still being craved by some, so we can still post our favorite eye-catching images, but Instagram may have hit the nail on the head with pivoting their focus to video. Instagram has said that their #1 goal is to entertain, and the fact of the matter is what is considered entertaining in today's society is changing. So when we as a society collectively shift what captures our attention, Instagram is going to adapt to its users' behavior by adding new features. This is where we get features like Reels coming in, Instagram video, more ways to monetize, all the things. As social media evolves, posts that have some sort of movement implemented might simply just perform better than still photos. Whether it's a TikTok, Instagram Reel, story, or a Twitter post with like a moving GIF or GIF, whatever you want to call it, creating movement within imagery is going to keep growing. I'm excited to see how creators get creative with how they tie this into their social media strategy because this is something I've already been doing with posts like this where the GIF is moving and posts like this where it's kind of that, what's it called? Stillmation video? I don't know, like this. Prediction number 2, main feed / timeline updates. Instagram is going to have a huge change with their timeline because right now they are the only platform where the user doesn't get any customization for what they see or what's being recommended to them. I mean, of course, each platform has its own algorithm where they recommend content to you based off of your own interests, but think about YouTube. At the top of the bar, they have the little categories for you to scroll through and pick from. They even have a page where you could see recommendations based off of only the people you're subscribed to. And even TikTok, they have 2 tabs. They have like the For You tab and the Following tab. With all these other platforms, you're able to choose what you want to see. On Instagram, it's just like, bleh, bleh. Here you go. This is all you got. You know, they used to have their feed chronological, but as their user base grew, they changed it to more algorithm based. And even since then, they've grown a lot more. So I think it's time for a new update. With this update, you'll be able to choose your view on your feed based off of Instagram's default recommendation, who you follow, or even your favorites. Prediction number 3, TikTok versus Instagram. Versus Instagram versus TikTok. 2022 is going to be make it or break it time for Instagram. With Instagram's main competitor TikTok coming out of nowhere and almost crushing Instagram to the ground, Instagram had to make big changes and fast. This next year will likely dictate if their big moves were the right moves or if creators are going to leave their platform for good. I know you didn't ask for my opinion, but I'm gonna share it anyway. I believe there's room for both platforms to exist, so Instagram's gonna be just fine. I'm loving all of the changes they've been making for creators and influencers, which actually leads me to my next prediction. I wish I could have like a crystal ball here and like a little wrap that the sidekicks have. And I'm just like, my next prediction with like smoke. That'd be cool. Prediction number 4, Ready Player One. The book Ready Player One by Ernest Cline may have been a prediction about our future. If you haven't read the book or seen the movie, Ready Player One takes place in 2045 when the planet is on the brink of chaos and collapse. But the people find salvation in the Oasis, which is an expansive virtual reality universe created by the eccentric James Holliday, basically Mark Zuckerberg, right? Or Elon Musk. Any of the guys. So I guess we shouldn't have been shocked when Facebook announced that they are now Meta, with other apps under their umbrella like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Meta is a company whose goal is to help people play and connect in more ways within the Metaverse. Oasis. with the announcement of the metaverse, I'm actually excited to see how social media evolves over the next few years. By connecting multiple apps and ways to interact with each other, I can see them becoming their own expansive virtual reality if done right. So I have a feeling that Meta is going to be one of the pioneers of the next big social media craze in the future, whatever that may be. Dun, dun, dun. I know it's hard to predict the direction that social media will go, so I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your thoughts about the metaverse? Do you have any social media predictions of your own? I'd love to hear them down in the comments below. Prediction number 5 is Reels updates. There's a hair in my eyeball. Got it. I can't not put this in here because just earlier at the beginning of this month, Adam Mosseri shared in his stories that we can expect to see a lot of Reels changes in the next year. Instagram has acknowledged that they are behind their competitors when it comes to short form video and the functionality options that they have, less all of the glitches, which is annoying. Like, they have a long way to go, let's be honest. Some changes I can see happening in the future are adding sound effects to Reels, more bonus opportunities to get creators paid, better UX on the main Reels tab, which is basically a better user experience with more functionalities and easier ways to get around Reels from the main tab, like saving your Reels or going to the saves, going to the drafts, all the things, and hopefully less glitches. I'm sure there'll be more, but those are just a few that come to mind. Bonus prediction time / leaking an upcoming feature, ayo. We're talking digital wallets and collectibles, y'all. In a tweet posted by my favorite person on Twitter, Alessandro, at Alex193A, he leaked a new feature on Instagram that they're working on called collectibles, where you can sell or own digital collectibles. This is basically Instagram's way of stepping into the NFT space. If you're somebody who has never heard of NFTs and have no idea what they are, you're not alone. You're not alone. I had to do my own research when scripting this video so that I could explain it to you. But NFT stands for non-fungible token. These are one-of-a-kind assets in the digital world that you can sell or buy like you would any other piece of property. NFTs are often associated with photos, videos, audios, other types of digital files, and they use blockchain technology to give the NFT a public proof of ownership. TikTok has already started incorporating NFTs into their platform structure. For example, they launched Own the Moment earlier this year, which was an NFT project that lets fans own viral moments from top creators. So Instagram naturally has to come in and create collectibles, which is a feature where you can sell ownership to certain digital pieces or buy digital ownership from your favorite creators. Then with that, they'll have an in-app digital wallet section, which will allow you to connect your wallet with other digital wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase, and other cryptocurrency platforms. I am not knowledgeable in cryptocurrency or NFTs, so if there's somebody that you follow who does an amazing job at explaining all of this, please drop their name below so that I can educate myself. I'm super interested in this, especially if this is the direction that social media is going to be taking. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hug the subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Follow your joy. Bye.